Bank of America has sued the chief executive officer of CCS Oncology, one of the region's largest community-based cancer care providers, for at least $4.3 million, claiming the medical practice defaulted on millions of dollars in loans he personally guaranteed. The lawsuit filed last Wednesday is the latest in a series of developments that point to deep financial troubles at CCS Oncology. Bank of America loaned more than $16 million to CCS Oncology and related businesses 2 years ago, but the companies failed to meet the terms of the agreement, according to the lawsuit in federal court in Buffalo. Drive W. Sam Yi and his wife, Sung Ian, beginning in May pledged their own money to persuade Bank of America not to default on the overdue business loans, but the Yis never made the payments, the bank said. The Bank of America legal action reveals new details about the challenges weighing on the practice and its top doctor. In the most significant disclosure, Yi informed the bank in the spring that he expects CCS to bring in less money than it spends for the foreseeable future and he intends to sell or refinance the practice and its assets, according to a document filed with the lawsuit. Drive W. Sam Yi, the CEO of CCS Oncology, is the subject of a civil lawsuit filed by Bank of America. John Hickey/Buffalo News. It's a question of whether it can hold together, said Robert Feldman, a partner with the Gross-Schumann law firm who has represented medical practices and other companies during bankruptcy proceedings and restructurings. He reviewed the bank's complaint at the News request. Yi declined an interview request but issued a statement on behalf of CCS that said it has been in negotiations with the bank to resolve the dispute and patients don't need to worry. We are hoping that a settlement avoids the need for any action to the pending lawsuit from Bank of America, the CCS statement said. Both sides are exploring areas of agreement and possible compromises to ensure that CCS continues to provide its cutting-edge care in West New York. The new federal lawsuit is the latest piece of bad news confronting CCS Oncology, which suffered a key blow when health insurer Independent Health dropped the practice from its network last year. CCS Oncology lawsuit accuses insurer of driving away patients. The move by Independent Health took effect in December 2016 and led to an exodus of patients and oncologists from CCS, which said that it once held 30% of the cancer care market in the area. Former vendors have sued CCS for non-payment and other allegations of wrongdoing. The News reported in the spring that the federal government is investigating CCS billing irregularities. Yi denied any wrongdoing and no charges have been filed. And the IRS has filed tax liens against CCS while New York State has filed a tax warrant against the practice. The latest action stems from 4 loans Bank of America agreed to make to CCS Oncology and related businesses, CCS Equipment, CCS Medical, CCS Billing and a limited liability company tied to Yi, in January 2016. The largest of the 4 loans was a $10 million revolving line of credit, a standard business loan.